My name is Hiro Shoda. So I am CEO of Shoda company. So we are from Japan. So we are established in 1926, and this year will be 28 years old company. And so 2 more years we will be 100 years anniversary. Then we are specialized in CNC router manufacturers, and we produce CNC router in Japan and China, and just recently we started production in India. Impression of this Indian wood. For me, this show is the best show in my life. I attended in the woodworking show in Japan and China and also United States and also in Germany. But this is the best show for me in my life because we had most customer at this show and also most excited customers coming. And so we are definitely attend the next INDIAWOOD in 2025. Thank you very much.